Alright, so in this question, we are told that a person jogs 8 complete laps on a 400-meter track in a total time of 15.3 minutes. And it's asking us to calculate the average speed in meters per second. So, first thing we want to do is define speed. So, average speed, we can say, is the distance traveled over the change in time. So, for this case, the distance is going to be 400 meters 8 times. And the change in time is going to be 15.3 minutes. So what we can do is we can multiply that out. Now we can divide it by 15.3 minutes. So this gives us 209.15 meters per minute. But the question asks us to do it in meters per second. So what we have to do is convert it. So first we say 209.15 meters in 1 minute. Now if we multiply that by 1 minute, it has 60 seconds. We can divide it. So we do 209.15 divided by 60. This gives us 3.49 meters per second. So that is the average speed in meters per second. Now, part B asks us, what is the average velocity in meters per second? So to calculate that, we have to use the definition of velocity. So that is, velocity equals the change in displacement over the change in time. So this is sort of a tricky question, because the displacement around the track, if you start here and you go all the way around, then your displacement is 0. So that means that delta D is going to be 0, and the time is going to be 15.3 minutes. But because 0 over anything is always 0, that means that our average velocity is going to be 0 meters per second.